A brand new talent is on the scene right now here to get the full 100. Tiffany Malvo, what go on?
What go on?
Tiffany, first of all, describe your sound for us. Describe your style.
So kind of, let's say, like a Tanya Stevens vibes. It's like a bit soulful. You know, that kind of dancehall reggae energy.
Your pops is a very well-known musician as well too, Anthony Malvo.
man.
Tell us about how you got into music.
I mean, just like you said, having a father that is in music for so long, after school would be studios. I'm an only girl. I have 4 brothers, so being around meals is pretty easy.
When did you transition from being just a spectator to actually, you know, recording and being involved?
My first recording, I was like 18. So like I was in college and I just did it because I'm just like, okay, this is something that I really like. And believe me, I thought my dad was going to jump at it and be like, yeah, my daughter want the music. He made sure I really wanted for true. He's just like, you really have to go prove yourself.
Talk to me now about this current single that you're promoting right now.
Okay, so Good Love remix. I recorded Good Love last year. And as soon as I recorded it, I'm like, yo, I need a bad DJ on the song here, but I want Busy on it. And everybody was just like, Busy? I'm like, yeah, but I think this timing is everything because fast forward to now, doing the remix, COVID, everybody kind of in Jamaica, not really going anywhere. I just approached him and he was like, yeah man, family, Malvo, you know, all of that. And I'm just like, let me hear the song. And as soon as he heard it, he was actually in studio and I just did it in the booth.
I'm anticipating, but I'm not patient.
Impatient.
Lick it up, but I'm
What was it about this song that made you hear Busy Signal on this track?
Busy had an international vibe. And the song, from you hear it from the rhythm to me being on it, it give you that international vibe. So that is exactly what I wanted. I'm just like, yeah man, commercial, international, Busy.
Who produced it?
My dad did.
Oh wow.
Yeah man, Malva Entertainment.
Okay, so your father's actually the producer for the track as well
Yeah,
too.
man. Yeah, man.
when me give you my body, make me ball and beg and plead. That good love, don't keep me waiting.
Bring it to me, girl. Bring it to
And
me.
what was it like working with Busy Signal?
Funny enough, people always judge people. Of course, I was like, let me see how Busy kind of to himself or that kind of creative, jovial, full of vibes. Studio, full of vibes.
It was cool.
Yeah, man.
So it was a good experience.
Great experience.
Was it a little bit hard for you to approach him because you don't know, as I said, everybody always is saying, Busy Signal, international, whatever, always busy. Was it difficult to?
Not really because my dad was here before COVID started, so they kind of had conversations before at the studio and everything. And I was kind of hanging out with Busy at the studio because he was always at the studio, you know, just recording and stuff. So we had conversations before. So when I finally approached him, it didn't seem kind of intense, you know. Yeah.
That's a good.
Yeah.
And so now, even like fast forward to the to even now, you said the video's out, is doing well and stuff like that. How have you been managing to actually promote the single, especially in a time when you can't be face to face with anybody, with much people, you can't do the shows? How have you been kind of maneuvering?
The way a lot of people been doing it, social media. Social media is so powerful. So right now that route is basically the one we're taking. YouTube, Instagram, you know, the Twitters, like Facebook, all of that. So just reaching out to fans and everybody sharing. Yeah.
You live in Canada. You do your quarantine time, by the way.
But they here from long time.
Okay. Make sure I ask.
You mask up.
I wonder if I need to move my
Right?
seat about 2 more feet.
You're right.
Bring me that
Whenever you want, whenever you need, babe. Got it going on, you sexy physique, babe. Put it on the G.
Lastly, now, I want you to tell us what most makes Tiffany Malvo intense.
My personality. What is me? My personality, my intent.
Lord, attitude,
Yeah.
attitude. And you know, so you can't get it so easy, so you have to even take her out with even a little piece of song or something. Sing for me, sing for
Alright,
me.
hold on, man. Full of vitamin, I got the citrus flow. Ready for kill the beat and make it decompose. Future bright that Neprozone and no bleacher door. My full of lyrics, full of confidence like goats in clothes. No need no blue tick for verify punchline. Black and blue and cherry eye. Massacre the beat but no feel like a genocide. Tiffany to the Malvo. are the same thing. Keep it in your ears like a ears ring. Enemy call me name, man, me ears ring. Leon and Richie, brother, them for the page. And Father God, I'm a father, Mr. Malvo, walk near him. How much barman? Yo. Yeah.
That's a good.
Yeah, man.
Lyricism, that's a good.
Yeah.
Tiffany Malva, look out for her. Boom.